Hey guys, it's back again for another video. I'm joined with Evelyn today.
Hi!
And today we are going to be baking muffins. I think cakes.
No cakes.
Yeah, cakes. Small little cakes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video.
So guys, we have all the ingredients here. We have caster sugar, flour, caster, baking powder, trays, scales, pans. That's pretty much everything. Let's get on to it.
So, we're just getting the eggs and milk and butter, and then we'll be set and we'll be able to make cakes. We're going to make little cakes instead of the big one.
And a four for Olivia as well. Do you want to do your own?
So what am I
Are
doing?
your paws clean?
Yeah.
You think you better wash them both of
We
you?
did.
You did?
Oh, did you? Good.
Yeah.
Four for Olivia.
So you know that little mark there?
That's right.
This one. Keep on going. Bit more. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, that's about right.
Now pour it into my bowl. My pan. Even a pan. Pour that's a lot of sugar. Behind the scenes.
Okay, now we need
But
four butter.
stir it.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Do you want to break your own eggs or shall I do it for you?
I'll break them.
Okay.
Wait, don't we need milk?
No. Just have to squash it all up together till it goes all creamy. It's quite hard work, you know.
We'll be back after it's all creamy. Okay, great. So
Just check your
this
eggs
is
now.
it. Yeah. That's
Wash it all down in this
Evelyn.
water.
Now I'm going
How
to
many
crack some
eggs?
eggs.
You're going to get you wet.
So our eggs are in. You can't really see.
And just stir it in, darling.
Stir it in.
Let's have a look at it. What you do. You've got another.
Oh, it's disgusting. Well, cakes are meant to look disgusting until they're baked.
We need
Basically.
lemon, don't we?
No.
Are they not? Are
We
they?
do.
You can see them.
Your lemon, it's not for flavour, it's to make it lighter.
No, I
Oh,
just
looks like
anyway.
sick.
No.
That's basically what my sick looks like. A dog. We'll be back after it's completely stirred. So yeah. So
Mine
we're
looks
measuring
like
the
sugar
flour,
and
but this
water.
is what it looks like. It looks like sick.
Mine looks like lovely and
Put the oven
creamy.
on.
Yeah, it looks like cream to me.
You're going to ice it after.
Yeah.
So we need 4 ounces.
Yeah, can you see? No, don't, that's right. Can you see the 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't touch it with your hand, otherwise you'll alter it, you see.
Have you got vanilla extract or?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Oh, can you use them?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
use what you
thanks.
like.
Is it coming out? Yeah.
Is it on 4 yet, Evelyn?
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, it's on 4.
It's on 4 now. I'll pour it in. No. Okay. Do. Stand.
Tip it in, Olivia.
Tipping it in. Oh, that looks good. Great. Perfect. Okay, so guys, it looks nice now. It kind of looks like custard, but thicker. And hers looks like custard as well. Mine did look like porridge and then dog sick, but now it looks nice. I would eat it, but I'm not going to lick it. So I'm going to have some flavouring, which is going to be orange, and Ethan's going to have almond and vanilla. So, yeah.
They're my favourite things.
So we're going to have different flavours, basically, for each of us. So there's quite a lot of orange, and that's what I'm going to get, really.
You've got to be careful with your orange, because if you're not,
Spill it.
you'll overpower it. So what are you having?
That's cool.
What are you having, Evelyn?